Happy Friday, happy Friday. Update about my YouTube channel, but my link is not clickable. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, this is about cash building system and all my businesses. If you want to join my businesses, where it says on the description, please do your due diligence to copy and paste the link into your web browser so you can see all the information about all my businesses. Note the description area. As soon as I put the my links there, please. This is a note and a video about all my businesses. Please copy and paste it to your web browser, and you'll see the information. You'll join that way. I'm getting the problem fixed. So be patient with me about all my businesses. If my link is not working because it's not blue, it's not clickable, something is wrong. So to fix this problem, copy and paste the link for my description department and add it to your web browser, and you can see all the information. And my ID number for Cash Building System, if you want to join, is 505. $50 to get started with Cash Building System, and you go from there. Get your kit in the mailbox and do what I do. Post. Make videos. Again, note about my link is not clickable in my description. I'm having the problem fixed. Again, copy paste the link into your web browser, and you are good to go. I'm going to show you about how Cash Building System works. Cash Building System is a postcard opportunity. You work from home. You can do full-time or part-time, whichever comes first. Like you see here. Whichever comes first. You guys can read all this. I'm not going to say nothing about it. This is what the postcard look like. This is what you get. Or you buy your own postcard and you go from there. You need stamps and lead. I'm the guy for stamps and lead. If you need lead or stamps, 500 stamps, 500 leads for only $100. You can't get it cheaper than that nowhere but me. 500 stamps, 500 leads from me. Yes, I offer stamps and lead as well. Again, note, if you want to join any of my businesses, if my link is not clickable, please do your due diligence to highlight the link, copy it, and paste it in your web browser, and you are good to go. I am fixing the problem. What's going on my YouTube description department? Yes, indeed. So again, this is all you get. You get your kit, you get a number, you get your own ID number. This is the real website for Cash Building System. It's still up and running. When you join, anybody can use this Cash Building System website for their promotion and need. I can give you a copy if you want to join me with Cash Building System. I'll be gladly to send you this link about Cash Building System so you can use this for your own promotion need too, and you go from there. Yes, this is Cash Building System, postcard business, and the real website. As you see here, as you see there, boom. No talking, no telling, just postcard and start posting. Again, copy and paste the link into your web browser. That's it. Copy and paste the link from my description area into your web browser, and you get all the information. And my ID number is 505. Thank you. Come back with you again with another video.